Kajing yolat bansu thiet jong Bharatiya Janata Party BJP haki Autonomous District Council ADC jong ke jalla da kajing wan penyeso jong saungut ke MDC na ke HADC bat GHADC bat kan ye kala nang IMCM ye kaseng na kabenta ban penkre ya ki election MLA ka ban long house nam arja katpra aksan tarik naiweng unong aiktin ka BJP nalen koli popetru ye ka jala Meghalaya la priang buram ki saungut ke MDC ki blawan penyeso elade bat ka BJP ki bakentop yu MDC kaseng Congress Ismail Marak MDC ke NCP Rajesh Sangma ke MDC Shimet ke bakentop yu Safir Rahman ba Kurus Sangma ke mai mikmat apo JHDC baru MDC barim ke Kongres ba Nil Antonio War na ke HADC nalor ka nila pedang buram ru ya ba Field Marshal Mopnyang bulong MDC barim ke Umrai katulong kubor na ka BJP kila itu bakatay ka jing pedang buram ka kamlong kongsan ba na kabentaw ba Nil Antonio War kamtam habulo ay ka jing Kular ikinong Ïalam ka BJP na Delhi bat na po ka jala ba umtang mau shimet na ka HADC Henry Unsele ban penrung haka BJP wat yu MLA MDC ka Mausan Ram uba PNCM bolong ru CM ka HADC rengkat perkatukan nengut ke MDC ka HADC haba keren cikilat patai kubor ba Nil Antonio ula syuong yang menta di ban ap ya kapor perklempep udan ka jingkermen bagi parlok jung u ki bala weng ila di na kaseng Kongres apo ke HADC kinwan ban penyeso bat ka BJP
tiga jingrung junga ka BJP basically nadu bangai ba ka Kongres ka penwit kalong jakab kanong kami yang po parti kanong kami yang hadir pada council pendai kalong penban kejerut-jerut kapa penwit penban yang rukam teka mujungi hatai ka isi ngalalai belas lem ha po parti pendai bangi ekran pat igi issues pan ketiu pan yada ayu pa kini kita yurat penban yangi bat hadu kini kisni pipet hagwide bat tukajing ban thung yo protam chairman hangthia po this council ru ya lat ya ka idiulus ka jongi ki buldos bet nakaliang ka joki bat kile kat pokemon ngasmo ba kay ba ki osmo kajing kren jong general secretary in charge jong ka party hangni pula kren dina ki daw ki ba ngasmo ba kani ka party kamlong serious bat kejingwan jong kini ki minister siapa ka jella bat ban kren ni ka development lajan sispa kum layo snow sispa sintam ngatrai ki nuksa ki ba ka BJP ka mo ka peni ban nakaliang jong nga khamno men sim chata bat di nakaraw wat na dang lang should have resigned na Congress tang na kini kindiat sniru nga kham kwa ban benar patin chuil di bat ban join lech kani
unalin koli ha bakran ha kajing Ïalam lo ong ka Congress kala pen khenye ki rule ki an baro hapo jong ke HADC tang man thaw ki lat kilinti ban yo kni ya ka bor jong ke HADC hapo kajing Ïalam uba PNCM long hadien bo chairman bo deputy chairman ka HADC kila yar shuki ka sarkar kum paw kilat pathai kubor ka kwa mantung protem chairman do deputy commissioner ka East Coast Hills ka baka rule 12-1 ka krenchai habadan ka jing thili hakini ki kam de bantung do MDC hende ka sarkar klapen khenya kani ka kandon.
The Congress party is consistently losing its popularity and mandate among the people of Meghalaya. They want to grab power without following the rules of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council. I am also an advocate. I was seeing, currently I am told a letter has been sent also by the Chief Minister trying to appoint a member of the executive, a bureaucrat, to take charge since there is no chairman at the moment. And if you look at Rule 12.1 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous Districts Constitution or District Councils Rules 1951, which is the applicable rules. Rule 12.1 very clearly, unambiguously, unequivocally, without any confusion states, while the office of the chairman is vacant, the duties of the office shall, not may, shall be performed by the deputy chairman, or if the office of the deputy chairman is also vacant, by such member, very important, by such member, that means a member of the district council, of the district council, as the governor may appoint for the purpose. There is no scope in this rule